Hi guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si Padre tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa cover song ni Echo Claridad. Kinanta niya dito yung How Am I Supposed to Live Without You by Michael Bolton. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood tong cover song ni Echo. Kaya i-play na natin to. Alright. So, here we go.
What's up guys? Patayin natin sa Echo. Bang!
Nasa
Talaan
CR
mo.
pa si Echo eh.
Taas! Kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa.
Ang galing.
Said you believe in someone swept your heart away. From the look upon your face, I see it's true.
Wow.
So tell me all about it. Tell me what the plans are making. Oh, tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me how am I supposed to live without
Grabe
you?
naman yun. Ang galing.
Now that I've been loving you so
Wow.
long, how am I supposed to live without you?
Grabe yun. No? Nakaupo pa yan ah.
And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is
Wow. Galing.
Nice!
Kayang-kaya mo nga eh.
too proud for crying, didn't count it to break down. It's just a dream of mine is coming to an end. And how can I blame you when I build my world around? I hope that one day we'll be so much more than friends. I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming.
Grabe.
Oh, even now it's more than I can take. Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so
Grabe yung boses niya, no?
long,
Napaka-powerful.
how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is
Yung.
gone?
Grabe pa ito. Taas! Tayo. Umaga ah.
No, I
Ooh.
know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Oh, and now that your dreams come true.
Kinikilabutan ako guys. Kagaling niya.
Tell me how am I supposed to live without
Wow.
you? Now that I've been loving you so long,
Ooh.
how am I supposed to
Minanilang yung kanta.
without you? And how am I supposed to carry on? And all that I've been living for is gone.
Wow. Iba talaga. Grabe nag-concert yarn.
Ay, Diyo!
Solid nun ah. Anyway, ang ganda talaga ng voice ni Echo Claridad, no? Pati yung diction, no? Sobrang clear, di ba? Tapos pag kumakanta kasi si Echo, hindi lang siya basta-basta kinakanta niya, eh, di ba? ang pagkanta niya is nanggagaling talaga sa puso.